that my nephews are sleeping, but I am drinking my cup of joe, my cup of coffee. Someone wanted to know the creamer I use, and this is the one I use. It's so good. But yeah. We might go to the pool again today. You see I'm sunburnt from yesterday. Lucy's playing with her toy. We got Little Caesars last night. We went swimming twice. We went from 12 to 2:30 and then came home for an hour and a half and then went from 4 to 6:30. So about 4.5 hours of swimming. Hey everyone, these are our donuts for this morning. See everyone? So beautiful. Good morning. All right, everyone. I am headed to the store. Happy Monday. I am sunburnt as all get out. I was swimming all weekend. And yeah, I am very burnt and it hurts. But that's okay. It'll turn tan. So yeah. I am off to the grocery store to get dog food for Dulce. I need milk, just a few things, not too much, and to pay some bills. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. It is a very rainy day here. It's gloomy. It's 70 out. It's not too nice out. But I'm going with Mom later. I've had the kids since, what is it? Friday? Thursday? Yeah, I've had them all weekend. Something's rattling. I hope you all are having a great Monday and start to your week. I know I am. I have a good day every day. I have a good day every day because I love my life. Yes. Love it. So I'm just getting, I'm going to get the dog food at Walmart and then the grocery store for the milk because I don't like Walmart's milk. I don't know why. I'm just picky. So I gotta have my milk that I like. I might get strawberry milk. I've been craving it, but not sure yet. Not sure. Then I think I'll pick up some lunch. Maybe Subway or Arby's maybe. Never know. I don't know what I want yet. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we get. Alright everyone, I'm out of the grocery store. My hair's crazy. I got out of the shower, brushed it, and I left. So I don't have my brush with me. What was I gonna say? I am off to get Subway. I'm waiting to get out of the post office parking lot. I had to send some things out to my lovely supporters. Yes, I did. I got a foot-long on urban cheese bread turkey with ham, with jalapenos, pickles, black olives, and black pepper. And it sounds so good with a nice cold soda or water. It sounds so good. And I gotta go through the drive-thru and pick it up. So we're here. I love Subway. It's not that bad for you. I mean, the bread is all carbs, but not that I'm counting any of that anyways. I don't care. Alright, picked up the sandwiches. Off to home to eat. Sometimes I like taking a bite in the car. That's how yummy they are. I do it. Should we do it? Yeah, we should. Because I feel like it. And because I can. Okay, so this is the steak and cheese. I'm gonna do a little mukbang in the car. Steak and cheese, urban cheese bread, papers falling. Okay. We'll save it for at home. So good. So you all, I've decided once again, to go back to school. Oh my goodness. I really actually I loved high school. I loved middle school. I loved school in general. And I love having homework. So, yeah. That's some good news, at least. And then I will tell you all later, my supporters, what I'm going for. So all the haters don't think they know everything and think I'm lying. I'll only tell my supporters then. Every single one of my supporters I have their they're pretty much all on my Facebook, so I can message every single one of them and tell them, so I don't have to announce it on a live or in a video, or yeah. So if you are a supporter, I'm pretty sure I have them all, but if you are one and you don't have me on Facebook, add me on Facebook, Lauetta, Laagueraa. Instead of 3 A's, it's 2 at the ends. But I'm pretty sure I have a lot of you on there. Like, almost all of you. I don't just add people I don't know and that don't have a pic, and when you go to their profile, there's nothing on it. That's fishy. And even if they do have pictures and they're not real of them, you can tell when it's real or fake. So that's what I am gonna do. So yeah, I'm just headed home. Gonna go with Mom later, like I said before. We're gonna go to dinner. We're gonna have a chat about how it went with the kids and have a good time. We always have a good time, me and my mom. She is so funny. I love funny people. Always makes me laugh. So I'm just so glad she's not like one of those moms, or, oh geez, that's not funny. Oh, this, you gotta live a little bit. But I mean, I don't know. She was really actually strict with us when we were little. But I mean, it was strict to a point. I mean, she made us do what we had to do, clean our room and do all this stuff, but that just taught us responsibility, and for us to be able to have a good job in the world and move forward with our lives. I think I was washing clothes at like 7, 8 years old. So, I mean, she's taught me everything I need to know, and she's a wonderful mom. So, yeah, we'll be going out to dinner. I'm not sure where yet. I'm not sure. I'm letting her pick. All right, you guys, I'm almost home, so I'll see you when I'm there. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to a Subway Mukbang. So, you guys, the story is I ordered a foot long, and they only gave me a 6-inch, and I picked it up through the pickup window. So, I had to go back and get my other half. And I have black olives, jalapenos, and pickles for my veg, and dill pickle chips. I love pickles. All right. I had a phone call. Sorry, y'all. But I'm almost done with this half.